Configure the currency and establish the profitability of your company. How do these features benefit me? Update the currency of exchange in case of fluctuations. Establish a minimum profitability limit. Establish overheads in your company. These functions are exclusive to C-level roles. Currency settings. Go to your account avatar and select Settings. Click on the Currencies tab. Here you can choose the base currency of your business. Once you do, you won't be able to change it again. If you carry out commercial transactions in other currencies, you can set the exchange rates. Display the Currency Options menu. Choose one and specify the value of the updated exchange rate. You can make this adjustment as many times as needed. This configuration allows working within the platform with budgets expressed in different currencies and obtaining unified metrics. Overheads and profitability. Go to the Profitability tab. From here, you can determine the profitability limit in projects. You do this by indicating the desired percentage in the profitability limit percentage field. Then you can choose to activate the overheads function. You activate the function and insert the percentage that represents the difference between the hourly cost that the user implies for the company and the extra percentage that is transferred to the client in the field Agency Overheads Percentage. You can also press the Automatic Salary Proration button that allows you to recalculate the hourly cost of your resources. This calculation is generated based on the tracked hours regardless of the monthly hours assigned to the collaborator. For this functionality to indicate the true cost and profitability, it is essential that users log all of their work hours in COR.